Hi, in this video, we'll view how to configure site codes in the NetAXS Revision 6 panel. We'll begin by logging into the web interface of the NetAXS panel. Once on the dashboard, go ahead and locate the option of Panels on the menu on the left, and go ahead and click on it. We'll then go ahead and select the option that says Advanced, and select the option that says Site Codes. Here, we're gonna click the plus sign on the top right corner of the window, and we're gonna go ahead and add the site code name. For this, we're gonna use new site code as the name, and we're gonna go ahead and type in the site code that we're gonna use. We're gonna use 123, and then go ahead and click the check mark to confirm that the site code was successfully added. For more information and videos, visit our webpage https://honeywelldiscovertraining.com.